Today we are going to learn how to install Ansible Tower or how to deploy Ansible Tower using Vagrant tool. If you are not yet familiar with Vagrant tool, then you can watch my video on Vagrant. The link for the video can be found in the description, as well as click on the suggestion icon at the right hand side of the video. I assume that you already know about Ansible. Ansible is an agentless automation tool. Now, what is Ansible Tower? Ansible Tower is a web-based solution for Ansible automation tool. There are actually two ways of installation. The first is using Vagrant or Amazon images, and the second one is using Bundle Tower installation program. In this tutorial, we are going to deploy Ansible Tower using Vagrant image. So let's start. For the installation, first of all, we will need a box image for Ansible Tower. So how can we get that? For that, just browse vagrantup.com and click on find boxes. Here we are going to use VirtualBox as our virtualization provider, and just click on that and search for the tower image. So this is the tower image, Ansible/tower. Go to our PowerShell and create a directory. Create any directory. For example, tower. Go to the directory and write a command Vagrant init and the name of the image, that is Ansible/tower. Okay. The Vagrant file has been created. Now just type in Vagrant up and it will start downloading that box image. It has not downloaded the image because I already had it downloaded, so it's just importing that image. And here we go, the tower is installed and ready to use. In order to log into the tower, just type in Vagrant SSH, and these are our tower details. This is a link for the tower web interface, so just browse that in the browser, and these are the login details. Admin is the user, and here we go. So in order to proceed further, we will need a license file. The tower license is free for 10 nodes. So in order to request that license, just click on the request license button and fill in your details and the email address, and within few minutes you will get an email from Ansible team with the license key. I already have a license key, so I will just browse it. Click on submit, and this is our Ansible Tower. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video.